Today, KKR versus Gujarat Titanic match number 260. Kolkata Knight Riders versus Gujarat Titans. Today 7:30 p.m. Kolkata do or die match. Venue Kolkata. Today 7:30 p.m. IST. All time Indian Standard Time. Today KKR playing 11. Kolkata playing 11 today. Number 1 Ajinkya Rahane, right hand batsman or KKR captain. Number 2 Finn Allen, right hand batsman and foreigner, impact player. Number 3 Ankit Raghuvangshi, right hand batsman. Number 4 Cameron Green, right hand batsman, all rounder, foreigner. Number 5 Ramel Power, foreigner, right hand batsman and all rounder, right hand fast bowler. Manish Pandey, right hand batsman. Number 6 Rinku Singh, left hand batsman, all rounder. Number 7 Sunil Narine, all rounder, left hand batsman, right hand bowler, foreigner. Number 8 Anukul Roy, right hand fast bowler. Number 10 Kartik Tyagi, right hand fast bowler. Number 11 Varun Arora, right hand fast bowler. Number 12 impact player Varun Chakraborty, right hand spin bowler. Today G-Team playing 11. Number 1 Sai Sudarshan, left hand batsman, impact player. Number 2 Shubman Gill, GT captain and right hand batsman. Number 3 Josh Butler, wicket keeper, foreigner, right hand batsman. Number 4 Ashwin Sundar, left hand batsman, right hand bowler, all rounder. Number 5 Rahul Tewatia, left hand batsman, impact player. Number 6 Green Flips, Shahrukh Khan, right hand batsman. Rashid Khan, right hand spin bowler, foreigner. Kagiso Rabada, foreigner, right hand fast bowler. Right hand batsman, all rounder. Prasiddha Krishna, right hand fast bowler. Mohammad Siraj, right hand fast bowler. Most green deed bowler IPL 2026.